Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, before going to enter into the topic, tell me what are the main parts of a plant? Yes, the main parts of a plant are stem, root, leaf, flower, fruit, seed. These are the main parts of a plant. Okay, see here stem, root, leaf. These three are the vegetative parts of a plant. These three are the vegetative parts of a plant. And flower, fruit, these are the reproductive part of the plant. Okay, stem, root, leaf, flower, fruit, seed. These are the parts of a plant. Among the all, the stem, root, leaf are the vegetative parts of a plant, and flower, fruit, seeds are the reproductive parts of a plant. Okay, now I am going to explain flower. Now I am going to explain flower. Flower is a reproductive part of plant. Flower is a reproductive part of plant. A flower have four whorls. A typical flower have four whorls. Means the all parts of flower are arranged in whorls. The floral parts are arranged in flower in whorls. How many whorls? A flower have four whorls. First one is the in first whorl, calyx are present, and in second whorl, corolla is present, and in third whorl, androecium is present, and in fourth whorl, gynoecium is present. A typical flower having the four whorls. First one is the calyx, and second one is the corolla, and third one is the androecium, and fourth one is the gynoecium. See, I will show you one flower, and this is the hibiscus flower, and see here the floral parts are arranged in whorls. See, first one is the green in color. It is the green in color, outermost whorl. This is the calyx. The outermost calyx is the outermost whorl. And what is the function of the calyx? It protects the flower. It protects the flower throughout the development and beyond. Means after from the flower only we get the fruit. Okay, it calyx attached to the fruit also. Okay, and see what is the function of the calyx? Calyx protects the flower. Calyx protects the flower throughout the development of flower and beyond. And next, calyx, it is in green in color. Calyx consists of units. See here, when we see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 units are present. Each unit is called sepal. What we call each unit? Sepal. Here how many, in hibiscus flower, how many sepals are present? Totally 5 sepals are present. Okay, either sepals are fused or free. And total 5 units sepals we call. And this part is called calyx. Calyx have the units, small units. Each unit is called sepal. What we call each unit? Sepal. And what is the function of calyx? It protects the flower. It protects the flower, internal parts of the flower. And also what is the color of the calyx? It is green in color. And where is the calyx? It is outermost layer. Where in which whorl is present? It is present in the first whorl. It is outermost whorl. And it protects the internal parts of the flower. and the units which are present in the calyx are called sepals. In hibiscus, how many sepals are present? 5 sepals are present in the hibiscus. Tell me, what is the function of calyx? Protecting and supporting. Protecting and supporting flower. And next, in next oral, see here, bright color we are observing here. That is, some hibiscus flowers are in red color and some are in white color, and different hibiscus flowers are available. And see, these are the bright colored structures we are observing here. These are called corolla. What we call this? Corolla. And corolla also having the units. Each one is called petal. What we call each unit? Petal. And see, either petals are fused or free. In some flowers, petals are free. See here, here petals are free, but here somewhat fused. The petals are fused like bell shape, and at the end of the petal, it is free. Okay, in some petals they are fused, and in some flowers petals are fused, or in some flowers petals are free, and the petals are brightly colored, and also it gives smell. It exhibits fragrance also. Why it exhibits fragrance? To attract the insects. Why it produces smell? To attract the insects. For why it produces a smell? Because of the when insects come, it helps in cross pollination. Okay, it helps in cross pollination. What is meant by cross pollination? Cross pollination. Reaching of pollen from one flower to another flower. Reaching of pollen from one flower to another flower is called cross pollination. Okay, it is possible by the only insects. That's not only insects, and some other situations also cross pollination will happen. And here mainly insects helps in cross pollination, where for sucking the nectar it comes to one flower and they sit on the stigma, and next it go to another flower and it sit on the another flower. Means here from one flower to another flower it carries the pollen. Okay, and next I will say about the pollen. What is pollen? And tell me, what is the function of the corolla? Corolla are brightly colored, and it produces it exhibits the fragrance, and it attracts the insects. Means it is helping the cross pollination. It is helping to cross pollination. And see, next in third whorl, androecium is present. What is present in the third whorl? See, this is the third whorl. And see, here why yellow color is appearing now. These are the androecium. Okay. Corolla consists of small units, consists of units. Each unit is called petal, and petals are brightly colored. Petals are brightly colored. And it produces smell. And by the smell the insects are attracted, and it helps in cross pollination. And the third whorl is androecium. Androecium is the male reproductive part of the flower. Androecium is the male reproductive part of a flower. And androecium arranged in the third whorl. In a flower, the androecium is arranged in the third whorl. And see here, this is the third whorl. The yellow color Androecium. Androecium consists of stamen. What androecium consists of? Stamen. And androecium is the main reproductive part of a flower. Okay, and each stamen have the filament and anther. Each stamen consists of anther plus filament. Each stamen consists of anther plus filament. And androecium is the male reproductive part of a flower. What androecium produce? See here, androecium consists of stamen. Each stamen consists of two parts. One is the anther and other one is the filament. And see, anther produces the pollen. And this is the male gamete. Male gamete. And see, next, fourth oral. In fourth oral, the gynoecium is present. What is present in the fourth oral? Gynoecium. Gynoecium is also called as pistil. The gynoecium consists of carpel. Gynoecium consists of carpel. In some flowers, either one carpel is present. In some flowers, more carpels are present. And that carpels are free or fused. And each carpel consists of stigma, style, ovary. Each carpel consists of stigma, style, ovary. And see, stigma is the first one. Ovary is the basal swollen part. Ovary is the basal swollen part. And stigma is the, it lodges the pollen. It lodges the pollen. And next, style is the connection between stigma and ovary. And gynoecium is the female reproductive part of a flower. Female reproductive part of a flower. Gynoecium is female reproductive part of a flower, and each gynoecium having the consists of the carpels. Each carpel have the three parts. One is stigma, style, and ovary. And it is the what it produce, what gynoecium produce? Gynoecium produce ovules. Gynoecium produce ovules. And see, next I will draw flower, diagram of flower, and then you will understand better. LS of flower. Okay, see what is arranged in first oral? Corolla, calyx. What is arranged in flower? What is arranged in first oral? Calyx. See here. What is the color of the calyx? Green in color. And units are present in the calyx. What we call that units? Each one is called sepal. What we call this? Sepal. See what is present, what is arranged in the first oral? Calyx are present in the first oral. Each in calyx units are present. Each unit is called sepal. And see, in next oral, what is arranged? Corolla. What is arranged in next oral? Corolla. See, corolla are brightly colored. Different flowers have different colored corolla, and these are brightly colored, and these corolla attracts the insects. For why? For cross pollination, for helping the cross pollination. And also corolla exhibits the fragrance. It exhibits the present? In third oral, what are present? Androecium. See, already I said the androecium. This is the androecium. Androecium having the stamens. Androecium consists of stamens. In some flowers, 5 stamens are present. In some flowers, more than 5 stamens also present. In all stamens grouped together and called the androecium. What we call androecium. Androecium consists of stamen. Each stamen consists of 2 parts. Each stamen consists of 2 parts. One is anther and this tube-like structure is there. This is the filament. And next in third oral, gynoecium is present. What is present in the third oral? Gynoecium is present. Gynoecium is a female reproductive part of the flower. Gynoecium is female reproductive part of flower. And inside the gynoecium consists of carpels. What gynoecium consists of? Carpel. And each carpel consists of 3 parts. Each carpel consists 3 parts. Stigma, style, ovary. And see, this is the basal. Ovary. Basal swollen part. Here, down basal swollen part is appearing now. This is the ovary. What we call this part? Ovary. And ovary, inside the ovary what are present? Ovules are present. Inside the ovary what are present? Ovules are present. Okay. And next, this is the style. What we call this? Style. And see, it is the stigma. Stigma. It receives the pollen. What it receives? It receives the pollen and it lodges the pollen. That is the function of the stigma. And style is connection between the stigma and ovary. Okay. A flower consists of how many whorls? 4 whorls. One is calyx and corolla. This is the corolla. Corolla consists of units called petals. And third whorl, androecium is present. Androecium consists of stamen. Each stamen consists of filament and anther. Androecium is male reproductive part of a flower and androecium stamen produce the pollen. Pollen is the male gamete. Pollen is the male gamete and gynoecium is the female reproductive part of a flower and gynoecium produce the means in the gynoecium the ovary produce the ovules. Ovules are the female gametes. Ovules are the female gametes. When pollination happens, pollination means reaching of pollen. Here in the anther pollen is produced. In the anther what is produced? Pollen. When the pollen reach to the stigma, then it produces the tube, pollen tube. It produces the pollen tube and it reaches to the ovary. It produces the pollen tube and it reaches to the ovary and the male gamete what is present here? Male gamete is present and male nucleus is present. That male nucleus reach to the ovule and fuse with the ovule and fuse with the ovule. Male gamete reach to the ovary and fuse with the ovule. Then what will happen? The fertilization will happen. After fertilization, what will we get? Seed. After fertilization, embryo will form. From the embryo, we get the seed. And seed, it means the ovule from the flower, from the ovule converts into the seed. Ovule converts into the seed. And next, ovary converts into fruit. next what will form? The embryo will form the zygote. From the zygote, embryo will form. And after development of the fruit, the ovary. See here, this is the swollen part is there. Na? This swollen part is called ovary. This ovary converts into the fruit. And next, inside the ovary, what are present? Ovules are present. These ovules converts into seed. And next, what about corolla and style, stigma, androecium? Corolla, style, stigma, androecium, these fall off. And calyx remain on the fruit only. Calyx we may see on the fruit only. For example, this is the LS of Datura flower. And see, when we see Datura fruit, when we see Datura fruit, we may observe see this is the calyx. The calyx remain on the fruit only. Okay, and when we see in the other fruits also, like brinjal, chili, we see calyx remain on the fruit only. Okay, this is about the flower. The flower have consist of how many orals? 4 orals. Okay, and next first one is in first oral what are arranged? Calyx, and in second oral corolla, and third oral androecium, and fourth oral is gynoecium. And here androecium and gynoecium are the reproductive. Androecium is male reproductive part of a flower, and gynoecium is female reproductive part of a flower. Okay, tell me after the fruit, from which part of the flower we get the fruit? From which part of the flower we get the fruit? From the ovary. The ovary converts into the fruit. And what about seed? Which part of the flower converts into seed? The ovules which are present in the ovary converts into the seed. This is about flower.